This is the digital instrument cluster, and it's standard on every 2026 Prelude. It's a 10.2-inch screen that changes what it shows based on how you drive and what you want to see. On the left side, you'll find information tied to infotainment and connectivity with multimedia functions like music, phone calls, and navigation. On the right side, you'll find vehicle-related functions like trip range, fuel economy, as well as settings for Honda sensing. Each section is controlled using the scroll wheels and buttons on the steering wheel. The left scroll wheel lets you cycle through your infotainment options. On the right side, the scroll wheel lets you flip through different performance and hybrid monitors in addition to trip information and Honda sensing features. The cluster also responds to your selected drive mode. Comfort gives you a calm, minimal readout with a blue theme. GT mode shows a modern gray interface. Sport mode goes full performance, turning the cluster red for a sportier feel. And in individual mode, you can not only set up the car's performance attributes to your liking, you can also pick your preferred theme color to match. Pressing the S Plus button adds a completely different experience. With S Plus activated, the cluster drops the traditional hybrid gauge and instead shows a simulated tachometer, giving the feel of a semi-automatic transmission with paddle-style simulated shifting. In GT and Sport modes, S Plus makes spirited driving feel even more direct. Whether you're just checking range or customizing the experience for your perfect drive, the Prelude's digital instrument cluster helps make the car feel like it's truly yours.